Our California adventure kicks off with a twist. We're actually starting in Nevada. We aired down our tires, knowing the rugged off-road terrain ahead was just the beginning. With miles of unpaved trails to conquer, we set out towards the California-Nevada state line, ready for whatever the trail had in store. We entered California through Death Valley on Funeral Range Trail. This trail was going to be filled with sightseeing and a few challenging obstacles along the way.
Give me a rear locker.
We reached the peak of this trail with views all around. From this point on, we would be descending into the valley. We have arrived at the two toughest challenging obstacles along this trail. The first one is this upper section you're seeing now, and the next one was waiting just around the bend. The challenging part of off-roading any pickup truck is the departure angle. Going down any steep obstacle is always a struggle. Luckily for me, on our descent, Nicole was able to stop me and advise that my rear bumper was not going to clear the drop. So I got out and got to stacking some rocks to avoid smashing in my rear bumper. Along this trail, we stumbled upon an old vertical mine shaft, a quick detour before hitting the more maintained gravel road. From there, we could relax and take in the breathtaking rock formations surrounding us. We were soon back on the asphalt, making our way out of Death Valley to reach our next trailhead, Jawbone Canyon Road. This trail didn't have much to offer at this point, but we were in for a little surprise.
Well, after a very long day of wheeling and some amazing scenery, we finally pulled up to camp.
And now we're going to get settled in, take a shower, eat some dinner, and then just take in the view.
The next morning, we kicked off the day by diving into the Black Gulch Trail, eager to explore what today was going to bring. If you made it this far in the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Help me reach my goal of 5,000 subscribers before the end of the year. We're very close, and it'd mean a lot if you hit that subscribe button. As we finished the Black Gulch Trail, we headed north on some asphalt to make our way to our next trailhead and camp for tonight, Monache Meadows. After doing some extensive research on how to pronounce this word and seeing plenty of other YouTube videos butcher it, Monache actually derives from the Native American people originally living in this region. There was an estimated population of 4,000 Native Americans in the 1700s living in the Sierras.
Well, after a very fun and eventful day of off-roading, we have arrived at tonight's camp. As you can see, it's not very grand, but that's okay. We are very sheltered here with all the trees, which is nice because tonight it's supposed to dip into the high 30s, low 40s, so not having that wind cutting through the tent is very nice. Now, what we are really excited for, as we didn't finish the trail today, is give you a little teaser here. Just beyond that tree line, you might be able to see some kind of wide open space, and that is a huge meadow that goes along this trail, and we are doing that first thing tomorrow morning as we finish the rest of the trail before we have to come back the same way we came in. So we're super excited about that. We're gonna make dinner now and probably get to bed early, and we'll see you guys in the morning.
On the next episode, we tackle some tough obstacles, venture into the scenic meadow, soak in some breathtaking views, and head ultimately west to the Pacific Ocean to enjoy the beach and hit the dunes. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the adventure.